Hello dear students, today I am starting chapter 2nd, Relations and Functions. Okay, Relations and Function chapters depends on order pair, Cartesian product. So first of all, we will study about Cartesian product. Okay, how can we find Cartesian product? How can we define Cartesian product? What is the meaning of Cartesian product? How many elements are there in a Cartesian product? Up to sets. Cartesian products depends on order pair. We know order pair means two elements are written separated by comma in a particular order. Okay, we know from our previous class order means suppose 1 comma 2 and written in brackets. This is an order pair. Okay, first element 1, second element 2. Two elements are written in a particular order. We can also write 2 comma 1 put in bracket. This is also an order pair, this is also an order pair, but both are different because order pair means there are a particular order of these elements. Okay, so this notation of order pair we are using in our Cartesian product. Cartesian product is important for defining relation, and main thing is for defining function we are using relation, that is representation of sets, relation between sets. For defining relation between sets, relation between two numbers, relation between two system of numbers, we are using Cartesian product. Okay, so Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. How can we find Cartesian product of sets? Suppose we are having a set A equals to A, B. This set's having two elements. Clear? And another set is set. Set contains elements. Elements may be objects, may be anything, just defining elements, defined element. We have to write or list in the set separated by comma. This is set. Similarly, suppose we are having another set 2, 3, 5, suppose, containing these three elements, only three numbers. Now, product of these two sets, set A, set B. Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B. This is the Cartesian product of two sets A and B notation. Clear? Here first set is A, second set is B. This product contains all the ordered pair. This product contains, because this is also a set. If this is a set, this is a set. We see these two are sets. Product is also a set that contains set builder form. In set builder form we can write this set contains order pair, means its element of this set is an order pair. is an order pair. X, Y. Such that this set contains order pair XY, where first element of the order pair belongs to first set. X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. This is our definition of Cartesian product. Cartesian product is a set containing order pair. All those order pair whose first element is from A and second element is from B. Clear? Similarly, suppose we are writing like this B cross A, then this contain also an order pair PQ. We can write this is also an order pair. First element belongs to B, P belongs to B and Q belongs to A. Okay. From here, from these two set, we can see that both are not equal, because first for in all order pair first element is from B set. Here first element is from A set. So order pair are not equal. We know when two order pair are equal, two order pair, suppose M1 M2 is equal order pair N1 N2. When these two order pair are equal, corresponding elements are equal. This first element equal first element means M1 equal N1 and M2 equal N2. These two equal if and only if. These two equal if and only if only it means this type of symbol. These two are equal if and only if first elements are equal, corresponding elements are equal for order pair. For equality of two order pair, first element equal, second element equal. So here, by definition of this Cartesian product, A cross B is not equals to B cross A. We can see also for a particular questions we can listing the elements for this. Suppose A cross B equals to first element from X. All the order pair, listing all the order pair. A2, A3, A5, we can make A2, A3, A5, because first element from set A, second element from B. B means 2, 3, 5 maybe. So A2, A3, A5, similarly. First element may be from set A, that is B. So B2, B3, B5. This is A cross. All the first elements are from set A. All the second elements are from B. Okay. Now B cross A, first element from B, 2. 2A, 2B, we can write 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, and 5. 5A, 5B. These are the elements. First element from B, 2, 3, 5, and second element from set A, AB, AB, AB. This is, we know that these two order pair are not equal. These two order pair are not equal. these two are not equal, that means A cross B is not equal B cross A. Very clear. Okay? So A cross B is not equal B cross A when AB are different. Clear? AB are different when. If A and B are both equal, then A cross B equal B cross A. It's very clear. Okay? So this is definition. A cross B equals to this and B cross A equals to this. Also, how many elements are there in A cross B? From here we see that here two element are there, here 3 element. So 2 into 3 6, we can count 6 element. Also in reverse order, B cross A 3 into 2 6 elements. Means number of elements in A cross B is equals to number of elements in A cross B equals to what? Number of element in A cross number of element in B equals to what? Here in our example, Na equals to 2 and Nb equals to 3. So 2 into 3 equals to 6. 6 elements are there. Also Nb cross A having 6 element, because Nb into Na 3 into 2 6, but elements are different. So sets are not equal. So how can we find number of elements in A cross B? First of all, find number of element in A, number of element in B, and then multiply this. 2, we can get number of elements in Cartesian product A cross B. Clear? So this is the definition of A cross B, that is Cartesian product of two sets. Okay? And number of elements, how can we find number of elements in a Cartesian product A cross B? Na cross Nb, Na into Nb. Okay. And two order pair are equals if their corresponding elements are equal. Okay. Similarly, here, just suppose we are trying to find A cross B and any of the set, either A or B, number of element A or number of element B, any of the set having no element. That means, suppose A equals to 5, no element, that is 0. Then how many elements will be there? 0. Because 0 into, suppose 2, 0 into 2, 0. So if any of the elements are empty, any of the sets are empty, then that means what? A cross phi equals to also phi, and phi cross B equals to also phi. Clear? So for getting some elements in Cartesian product, both sets should be non-empty. Clear? And suppose there are 3 sets, A, B, C, non-empty. Then A cross B cross C means what? Triplet. Means 3 elements are triplet, order pair, not order pair, triplet means 3 element, A, B, C. This is called triplet, where A belongs to A, B belongs to B, and C belongs to C. This is A cross B cross C. Clear? If we write like this, A cross A, then what? A. Clear? Press that A belongs to A. Clear? So we can write 3 elements from sets. Clear? Suppose A equals to 0 1. This is a set. Now we are trying to find A cross A. A cross A. So first of all, A cross A, how can you find A cross A? B cross C. So just see here for writing. Suppose A having element 1 2 and B having element 3 4 and C having element 5 6 7. Here also NA cross NB cross NC, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12 element will be there. A cross B cross C. How can we write elements of A cross B cross C? 1 3 5 1 3 6 1 3 7, then 1 3 5 1 3 6 1 3 7 1 4 5 1 4 6 1 4 7 2 3 5 2 3 6 2 4 7 2 4 5 2 4 6 2 4 7. Clear? That is here A 1 2, here B 3 4, here C 5 6 7. So 1 3, then both 2 3, then all. Similarly 1 4, then this can be connected. 2 4, then this can be also connected. So 3 3 6 3 9 3 12. 12 elements are there. Okay. So for A equals to 0 1 and we are trying to find A cross A, listing the elements, triplet. How can we make 3 elements na? So how? 0 1 0 1 0 1, all are A, all are A equals to this. So how? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 and 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. Clear? 1 0 0 and 1 0 1 1 0 1. Clear? 1 0 0 1 0 1. Now for this element 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 and 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 1 1 1. How many elements are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 into 2 into 2 2 2 2 2 into 2 4 into 2 8. So by this method you can write 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. Clear? So we can write also A cross B cross C. If we are given Cartesian product, elements of Cartesian product, then how can we find the sets A cross B? All the set of all the first elements of order pair is first set. Set of all the second element of order pairs, second set, for finding set. Clear? Now there are some examples also in book, so you are just practice from example, and now I will solve exercise 2.1. Okay. So first question is what? In exercise 1, if x by 3 plus 1, first question solution. First question, if here given what? Two order pairs are given, and find the value of x and y. X by 3 plus 1 given x by 3 plus 1 first element, and y minus 2 by 3. Y minus 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 1 by 3. 5 by 3, 1 by 3. This is given. Order pair are given. We have to find the value of x and y. So we write. We know you have to give complete reason. So we know that two ordered pairs are equal if their corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding element means first element, second element, equal. So we get x by 3 plus 1 equals to first element equals to 5 by 3, and second element y minus 2 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. So we have to find the value of x and y. So x by 3, transfer 1, 5 by 3 minus 1, that is what? 2 by 3. X by 3 equals to 2 by 3, that is x equals to what? 2. Similarly, y equals to what? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Transfer to right hand side. So y equals to 2 by 3. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3. That is y equals to 1. So value of x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So this is well. Clear? So first question is very simple, related to order pair. Second, if the sets A has 3 elements, B is 3, 4, 5. Okay. Question second. Second questions. A has 3 elements. And B 3, 4, 5. Find the number of elements in A cross B. Question second. Given number of elements in A equals to 3. A has 3 elements, with the number of elements in A is 3, and what is given? B. The set B is given 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So number of elements in A cross B. We know A number of elements in A cross B equals to NA into NB. So here NA equals to 3 is given, and B equals to this. So implies NB equals to number of elements in B equals to what? 3. Therefore, Na cross B, number of elements in A cross B is equals to what? Na cross and B into. So Na means 3 into 3 equals to what? 9. So 9 is the answer. Clear? Third question. Here, third question is given. Question third. Given G78 H542. G is a set, 78, H is 542. 542. These are the two sets are given. G cross H cross G. We have to find G cross H and H cross G. Find these two. We can find, given this and this, according to definition of Cartesian product. Cartesian product. According to definition of Cartesian product. According to definition of Cartesian product, G cross H is equals to what? Order pair where X belongs to G and Y belongs to H. G cross H, first X, first element belongs to G. Y, second element belongs to H. That is, how can we write element 7 5 7 4 7 2 7 5 7 4 7 2 7 5 4 2. Clear? Now 8 5 4 2 8 5 8 4 8 2. Clear? This is G cross H. And also we can find H cross G. H cross G. H cross G is what? Also Mn belongs, such that M belongs to H and N belongs to G. That is first element from what? First element from, how many elements will be there? 6. Here 6. Also here 6. So 6 elements will be there. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here 6 element will be there. How can you write? First H. So 5, 7, 5, 8. 5, 7, 5, 8. 4, 7, 4, 8. And 4, 7, 4, 8 and 2, 7, 2, 8. 2, 7, 2, 8. These are the listing. G cross H and H cross G. Okay. Now, question 4. In question 4, instead of whether each of the following statements are true or false, if the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. Clear? So, first question 4. I think you can do it. in yourself. Very simple. Where P equals to Mn and Q equals to Nm. Then P cross Q equals to, there are only two order pairs, but P having two elements, Q having two elements. That means 2 into 2, 4 elements should be there. That means this is false. So you can write correctly what will be the P cross Q. So write in your copy. Okay. Second element. So sorry, second question. For second of 4. If A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is non-empty set of order pair of XY such that X belongs to X, Y belongs to B. Correct. This is the definition. The definition is given. So correct. And third, if A equals to 1, 2, B equals to 3, 4, then third number, what? A equals to 1, 2. B equals to what? 3, 4. Okay, then A cross B intersection 5 equals to 5. It is right or wrong? We will decide. Okay, A cross B intersection 5 equal to 5. Right. Because what? Why? B intersection 5. What will be the value of B intersection 5? Intersection 5. That is 5. If this is 5, so A cross 5, empty set. So this is equals to 5, right? So true. So you have to write logically in your copy. Okay. So write this question in your copy. Just solve it. All the questions of this exercise 2.1 and some of the questions you have to send me for your attendance. Okay. Now question 5th, A minus 1 1, find A cross A. Just you can do it. Question 5th, A equals to what? Minus 1 1. We have to write A cross A cross A. How can we write? Very simple idea. What? A minus 1 1, A minus 1 1, A minus 1 1. 3 sets are there. So how can we write element? How many elements will be there? 2 into 2 into 2, 8 element. So we have to write only A cross A cross A. Clear? So minus 1, this, and this, Similarly, this. Take first element. Take this and this, all of element the other. Take this and this, then all element. Similar for minus 1. So how can we write? How many elements are there? 8 elements. Okay, 8 element you have to write. Okay. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1. Minus 1, 1, minus 1. So minus 1, 1, 1. Similarly, 1, minus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 1, minus 1. And then 1, minus 1, 1. And then 1, 1, minus 1. 1, 1, 1. These are 8 elements of this. Okay? Similar, in a similar fashion, we are trying to find the elements of A and B. Here, question 6. In question 6, we are given product. Product is given and we have to write the element. We have to write the element of the sets 6 given A cross B equals to. A cross B is given. What? AX, AY, BX, BY. X, AY, AX, AY, BX, BY. Find A and B. We have to find A and B. We know in a cross product A is set of first element of order pair. Order pairs. That is what? First element A, B. A. And similarly B is X, Y. X, Y, X. B is second element. Okay. Now question 7. Question 7. You have to do it in your copy for your practice. Very simple questions. 7. Let A 1, 2, 3, B 1, 2, 3, 4, C 1, 5, 6, D 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 sets are given. Verify 1, 2. Two relations are there. First, we have to verify what? Question 7. You have to do in your copy these questions. Simple questions. 7. See. A is given, B is given, C is given, D is given, all are given. ABCD. Okay. Now, we have to verify. That means A cross what? B intersection C. B intersection C equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. We have to verify this. Verify this means we have to find left hand side. We must get right hand side. Okay. We have to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. For this, just do it. How can we get it? Left hand side, one set is A, another set you can find first. Here A, B, C are given. Just first find what? B intersection C. It will be another set. Then first set is this, second set is this. First set is A, second set is B intersection C. This is A. By taking these two set, you can listing the element. Similarly, right hand side. First find by taking AB, A cross B. Find. And also A cross C. Find. You can do it. Now taking first set is this, second set is this. First set A cross B intersection, second set A cross C, and write. Then see whether these two are equal or not. If equal, then it is verified. Similar, second, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. A cross C is subset of B cross D. A cross C is subset of B cross D. This subset is we have to prove. Just list A cross C. You can do it from here. Similarly, B cross D. Also you can do it. If each element of this belongs to this, if each element of this belongs to this, because this is subset of this. When we say that two sets are subset, X belongs to A implies X belongs to B. That is, all the elements of this belongs to this. If we see, after finding this, then you can write each element of A plus C is also element of B plus D. Then subset. Very good. Clear? So this, do it in your copy. Okay. 7, 4 and 7 you have to write very clearly in a copy. Now 8. Question 8. Question 8 is what? Let A 1 2 B 3 4 write A cross B. How many subsets of Question 8. A equals to one 2 and B equals to 3 4. Write A cross B. How many subsets will A cross B have? How many subsets will A cross B have? How many subsets? Okay. And list them. Listing for you. Clear? Now, given A 1 2, B 3 4. So A cross B, how can you write? There will be 2 into 4 element. 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. A cross B will be this. Given A equals to this and this, then we know A plus B equals to this. Okay? So how many subsets will A cross B have? How many subsets it have? We know if the set is given, then its all subsets are given in P, power set of all subsets of A. If A having how many element? Suppose K element. A having a K element. The number of subsets, because it contains all the subsets of A. So number of subsets of A is given by 2 to the power K. You know. So number of subsets of A cross B, this is a set. Number of subsets of A cross B, by giving this reason we can write number of subsets, number of subsets of A cross B is what? 2 to the power K, where K is equals to number of element in A cross B. Clear? Here K equals to what? Number of element A into number of element B equals to what? 2 into 2 equals to 4. Therefore, 2 to the power 4 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16 element. 16 element. 16 subsets are possible. Now list subsets. How can we listing these subsets? How many elements? 16 subsets. 16 subsets of A cross B are possible. And listing, first subset is 5, second subset is taking only this, only this, only this, only this, any of 2, 3, 4, and so on. So you can list all the subsets. How many subsets will be there? 16. So question 8. This is the solution of question 8. Now, there are two questions, 9 and 10. There are two questions, 9 and 10. So these two questions are for your solving. Okay. 9. A, B two sets such that NA. Question 9. Question 9. N A equals to 3. AB2 sets such that NA3, NB2, NB2. That is A having 3 elements, B having 2 elements. And if X1, Y2, Z1, Y2, Z1, these three are in A cross B. A having 3 elements, B having 2 elements, that is A cross B having 6 elements. So out of 6, these are the 3 elements. Clear? Where X, Y, Z are distinct elements. Then we have to find the A and B. We know A is set of first element of A class B, an order pair of in A class B, and this is second element. So you can write it. So this is for your practice, and do it in your copy and send me for attendance. Also, question 10. The Cartesian product A class A has 9 elements. Question 10. A cross B, not B, A, equals 9 element. Okay, A cross A has 9 element, among which -1, 0 and 0, 1. -1, 0 and 0, 1. These are 2 elements. Out of this 9, 2 are the elements. Find A and remaining elements of A cross A. So you have to find A and all the elements. Remaining elements of A means just find A cross A, then you can see the remaining elements. So these are 2 elements of 9. So we know A cross A means first element from A, second element also from A. So first element -1. First element 0, second element also from A, that means 1. This will be the A. Now you can write A cross A. Write 2 times, -1, 0, 1, -1, 1, -1, -1, -1, 1, -1, 0, -1, 1, 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, -1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You can list it like that. So this is the last question of this exercise. So you have to write solution of all these questions logically in your copy and send me also for your attendance today. Okay.